Nagabintagi kubor ba man kasngipet but subscribe ya u an
Ay, gosh.
Okay. चलो कैमरा से सीधी यूं से take us. Yes sir. You go to the program. The same, I mean, common room though.
Yes, yes.
All furnished.
All furnished, sir.
And then we have started functioning also today.
We will start from today.
Today. Okay.
In this event, all our friends and colleagues who have taken time out to be with us today to make this event a success. Last but not the least, officers and staff of this office, their efforts in making the Directorate what it is today. Thank you one and all, and in case I have missed out anyone inadvertently, it is because of your hard work that today's event has concluded successfully. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the officers and staff of this Directorate who have moved Directorate of Economics and Statistics for parting with the old garage of their office from this site. Management. We also extend our gratitude to the captain of the ship, our secretary and director, Shri C.B.C. Sadhu, IAS, Srimati R.M.
Our respected Minister for Community and Rural Development, Sosthenes Soto, our respected Chief Secretary, Principal Secretary, our Director, all the other officials of the C&RD department as well as administration, and all the other friends who have joined us here for this very, very momentous and memorable occasion. I first of all would like to take this opportunity to congratulate all of you on this very, very important, historic and a very, very momentous occasion, and would especially like to congratulate Honorable Minister, Principal Secretary and Director who have been instrumental in making sure that this building was conceptualized and more importantly it was completed at a very fast pace, and we are all here today to finally inaugurate it. Just a few things which I would like to share with all of you. Of course, it's again regarding the way the department has worked, and if you look at the history of the department, whether it was the MG and RAGS scheme, you saw almost a threefold jump in MG and RAGS implementation and the overall utilization of funds. If you look at NRLM, again you've seen maybe almost 20 times growth in the funds in NRLM utilization. If you look at PMAY, I think it's like even much more. I don't know how much percentage. So what has changed? You have to ask yourself this question. It's the same scheme, same guidelines, and the same people working. But suddenly you see that there is a 3-fold, 10-fold, 100-fold increase in the fund utilization. And I keep repeating this to everybody, that what has changed is the mindset. That's all. Somewhere along the line, all of you have started to commit, recommit, focus, and really believe that the C&RD department can deliver what it is supposed to deliver. And some kind of this magic that has happened within the department and this motivation that with which you have worked, with the same schemes, as I said, the same guidelines, the same infrastructure till now, the same infrastructure you had and the same people, and you are performing 100 times more than what was there before. And I think this is a great example of what a team can do when it truly believes in something, it truly puts a purpose ahead of everything else that you have and says, we're going to do this, we're going to move ahead, we're going to work day and night, and we're going to make a difference in people's lives. And I think this is really the success story. It's not about this building. Many departments have got many buildings. Many people have got even better buildings than this. But as I said, it is the heart, the soul, which is all of you that makes the difference. But I'm happy that of course this building has come up, but this building will mean nothing without the people who are behind it, the people who are going to actually be the core and the heart and soul, as I said, of what this department is about. It's about you. So therefore, I take this opportunity really to congratulate you. C&RD department has done miracles, if I may, and I think all of you deserve a huge round of applause. You're proud of yourself, so really. And I'm sure you must be also happy and proud to see how you are making a difference in a person's life. I was telling in the morning only when I was having this meeting and program of the MSRLS, you were not there. And I was telling them that we don't judge our performance based on how many houses we are constructing or how many job cards we have given or how many NRLM schemes are the thing. We should judge our performance by the smiles that we bring in people's faces and the difference that we make in their lives. That should be what should drive us. And I see that in your department. And so I'm not flattering you all, but I'm truly speaking from my heart. I believe that there is such a strong desire to work and the commitment that is there I've seen in all of you. I just want to ask you to keep it up and to continue to work in this committed manner, because as said earlier by the minister as well as by all those who spoke before me, that 80% of the population is right under this building, right under the people who are sitting in this room, 80% of the population. And huge amount of work is there at the grassroots level which needs to be done, and almost every scheme that can make a difference in a person's life will run through this particular building and through all of you sitting out here. So it's a massive responsibility, but you have done very well, and I'm sure that you will keep doing much better in the days to come. In terms of infrastructure, I think you've seen in the last many years, we have been very committed to creating good infrastructure for our people so that they can work in a more committed manner, be it police force, be it the medical department, be it the C&RD department. Wherever possible, we have tried to ensure that the infrastructure and the overall system has improved, and obviously C&RD is no different. We have given new block offices to almost every block. Now the C&RD department Directorate has, the building has come up, and next phase, which I've already mentioned to our director as well as to principal secretary, is that I want to create a space for our officials so that they can stay in the blocks and all these places in a much more comfortable manner. rural infrastructure in terms of accommodations have to improve. And one of the ideas that was floating around, which we've discussed with our principal secretary also, is that we can have administrative houses and accommodations which is generic in nature, so that that same campus can be used by multiple departments. So if it's in a block, so all the officials concerned with that particular department and other departments can also have different quarters and different blocks. Facilities are there so that everybody can use it in one go. So we can start with districts where we have got a colony or a space where all officers, be it whichever department you're from, you'll be able to use. I think that concept is something that I've been wanting to do. We should start with the districts and then further go on to subdivisions and hopefully the block level also. So even if health officials are there, if block officials are there, or any other department, those accommodations that can be used in a generic manner, and facilities which are there available, maybe it may be a health club, it may be a small community hall, or whatever it is, it may be gyms. This can be again used by the officials. So this is something that we are wanting to do, and I hope that we'll be able to take that again to the next level. So I won't take much time. I once again congratulate you on this brand new office that is there, and I wish you all once again the very best, and once again thank you all for the full dedication and commitment with which all of you are serving the people of our state, and truly, as I said, truly making a difference in their lives. May God bless all of you. May God bless our state of Meghalaya, and thank you once again for all the work that you're doing. Thank you so much.